all the babies will be killed before they die.
Yeah, that's not good.
No, we can't die. No, the babies can't die. And that's why we're here to save them. And all the other people don't even know England better. That's why we're here to save them. No one else.
That's right.
Just us. So, actually, they better quit it. So if they don't quit it, they will be bad.
Right. Let the babies live.
Yep. Let the babies live, because they're not supposed to be killed, because that's why we're here to save them. Amen. Bye.
Amen. Very good.
Okay. The Jesus miracle power.
Amen.
Don't. Can't say it.